I welcome you my channel Maths by Vinash. In this class, we shall do the exercise 8.2 which is based on midpoint theorem. So, shall we start our class? This is our first sum of NCERT 8.2. Question is said ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQRS are the midpoint of side AB. P is a midpoint of side AB. Q is a midpoint side of BC. R is a midpoint side of CD. And S is a midpoint side of AD. And this AC is our diagonal. Then we have to show that we have three cases. First case is SR parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. This is first case. Second case is PQ equals to SR and case third is PQRS is a parallelogram. So shall we start? First write the given part. What is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which P, Q, R and S are the midpoint of the sides. Which side? AB, BC, CD and DA. And AC is our diagonal right here. And AC is a diagonal. Then you have to start by proof first. See, right here, proof. First of all, you have to take triangle ABC. You have to write in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, see that P is a midpoint of AB right here. P is a midpoint of the side AB and Q is the midpoint of side BC and Q is a midpoint of side BC. Therefore what we write? PQ parallel to AC. PQ parallel to AC and PQ half of AC. How? By midpoint theorem. This is question first. Write the reason. By midpoint theorem. I hope up to this stage is clear. Now we have to take triangle ADC. Now in triangle ADC, what we write? R is a midpoint of CD. R is a midpoint of side CD and S is a midpoint of AD right here and S is a midpoint of which side? See, side AD. Therefore what we write? Therefore SR parallel to AC, SR parallel to AC and SR is equals to half of AC. How? We know that by midpoint theorem. By midpoint theorem. This is the proof of first. Now we shall move on proof second. Proof second. How we prove? Using equation first and second. We have tried what? From equation first and second we get. We know that our first equation is, by combining equation first and second, what we get? PQ parallel to SR and PQ equals to SR. This is a proof of second. You have to use our equation first and second. Now we shall move on proof third. How we prove? We have tried what? Now quadrilateral. We have tried in quadrilateral PQRS. In quadrilateral PQRS, it's one pair of opposite sides. It's one pair of opposite side PQ and SR is equal. PQ and SR is equal and parallel. Therefore, what we said? Therefore, PQRS is a what? Parallelogram. We know that by property of parallelogram, if pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then what we said? PQRS is a parallelogram. I hope this one is clear to you. Next sum is question 4. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC, comma BD is a diagonal. BD is a diagonal and E is the midpoint of AD. A line is drawn through E. A line is drawn through E parallel to AB, intersecting BC at F. BC at F. Then so that F is a midpoint, then we have to show that F is a midpoint of side BC. This is our question. Now you have to draw the figure. How we draw? We have our trapezium. This one is clear, whose name is A, B, C, D, and side is given E and F. Then we have to show that what? F is a midpoint of side BC. This we have to show. Now, how we prove? First, to write the given part. What is given? A trapezium ABCD. A trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC and EF parallel to AB. This implies that what we write? AB, comma EF and DC. Then we have to write what? AB, comma EF and DC. These are parallel. Then what to write? AB, comma EF and DC are parallel. Then we have to write some statement. What we write? Intercept. What is the basic meaning of intercept? Intercept means this intercept at E and F. Intercept made by those parallel line. Intercept made by those parallel line on transversal. This is act as a transversal. On transversal BC are also parallel. No, we have write like not parallel, equal. Equal. That is FB. That is FB is equals to FC. Hence, what we write? Hence, F is a midpoint of what? BC. Clear? I hope this one is clear to you. Please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe my channel.